Hi, I'm Graham, and I've been working on review board for UCOSP this semester. My project is making it easier to write pre and post commit hooks for repositories. Basically, taking the current implementation of writing a Git hook, which looks like this and is quite long, and turning it into this, which is much simpler and easy to understand with a couple error checks. The Git part of my project was already written by Christian Hammond, as well as a significant amount of the backend. So my project has mostly been focused on implementing the same functionality into Subversion. I have made the Subversion pre-commit hook so far, and it works. There is a slight difference between mine and the Git one, which is that Subversion requires the two arguments, which is the repository directory and the transaction number, to accomplish an svn look log right here. This is the functionality to do the same thing as the Git one. It's very similar to the way the Git one is written as well, except for a couple testing things that I've written in here. This is to make it consistent between both. Currently, the Git pre-commit hook requires the review request. So on like the website, if you post one, review request 14, to be marked ship it before it can go through, such as this one. I will do an svn commit review request 14, and it will say review request 14 not approved for commits. The review request has not been marked ship it. Failed because it echoes back to failed on this one because there's something left in memory from the command. So far, this is what I have done. I would like to make it so that the git hook command and the svn command are similar or the exact same. We're ideally not having the two arguments, but I haven't figured out if I can do that quite yet. So I'm looking into that, and then I will implement the post commit does work so far, which is just simplified. I haven't thoroughly tested it, but it seems to work so far pretty consistently. This is also another way of passing the arguments instead of doing this. Just this was for my own sake to know which one was which. But you can just do this as well. And then writing test scripts to make sure that it works consistently. So far it seems pretty consistent, but that's manual testing. Thank you for listening.